The number one detractor from health and performance is stress, and mental stress is a heavy load on people. And when you're under mental stress, the brain goes into protective mode. It's like a fight or flight mode. And when you're under stress, it's like you have these emotional triggers from your past. When they get triggered, your body either goes into retaliation mode or it shuts down emotionally. And neither of those are good. And this has all kinds of impacts on our health. The CDC states that 85% of health problems, physical health problems, are stemming from emotional triggers. And then we have the mental health problems as well. And so there is a way there's a way available to us that we can actually help detach from those triggers so they don't elicit those same types of responses. And at this workshop, we're going to tell you how you can disentangle yourself from the emotional triggers that are causing responses from you today and the ones that are causing health problems for you. We're also going to discuss strategies that you can use when you're working with children. So teachers, parents, coaches, anybody who is working with kids, you sometimes use language that is going to cause them to have emotional triggers in the future. And they end up having the same emotional triggers that you and I have. But there are strategies that we're going to teach you about how to work with kids so that they thrive and how to speak with them in a way that is not going to form these kinds of emotional traumas for kids, these kinds of triggers that you and I deal with today. So 2 things at this workshop. Number 1, how to get unentangled from these triggers that are affecting us. And number 2, strategies that you can use working with kids today so we can all have a brighter future. Hope to see you at the event.